आज हम इस वीडियो में एक क्लाइंट एप्लीकेशन क्रिएट करेंगे जिसमें जो भी एडमिन ने डेटा एडमिन एप्लीकेशन के थ्रू फायरबेस पे अपलोड करवाया था वो क्लाइंट एप्लीकेशन में रिसाइकलर व्यू के थ्रू हम गेट करेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. First of all of you create the model class in your client application. Okay, and set the getter and setter methods in this class. So I need two things here. First of all, which is name, and second is URL. So create a constructor. And second thing is create getter and setter methods. Okay, so create it. Now one thing is public. Sorry, this is the constructor. Remove it here. Paste. Public model. Okay, now go to the your main activity, because I have initialized my recycle view in main activity. Okay, so copy two things here. First is recycler view and second is your database reference. Paste. I forgot something. First of all, you need to connect your application with the same database with which is connect through the your admin application. Okay, so you need to connect your application with your admin database application. We will initialize your database, initialize the database in onCreate method. So go to the onCreate method and initialize your database and recycler view in this. Write your child name which is you initialize in your database. I'm using the data and project here, so I'm taking two childs which is data and projects. Okay, now we are using a populate method which is predefined, or we can say we get it through the Firebase UI library. So for that you need to initialize or add the library which is Firebase UI database. Okay, now paste it. Import the classes for view holder. Sorry, 1 minute. Copy the view holder class from here. And paste. So you can see our error has been solved. Now I will run my application. It will take some time. So As you can see, our data has been loaded from the database. So now I will explain you all the process how the data is coming from the admin application into the client application. Okay, so now I will explain you all the process how to data will go through the admin application into the client application. Okay, so select project, select an image, so now select this image and name of the project will be image image 2. Okay, upload it. File successfully uploaded. Okay, now in the client application it will be come through the database. Restart the application. So you can see our data is coming from the database. I will show you the database. You can see this is the image 2 and this is the URL of image 2. I will give you the source code in the description so you can make your project easily. Okay, so for more videos, like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.